Final step, understanding, not completing. Okay, now you're on the process of catching up. It can be very tempting to just rush through the materials and then tell yourself, hey, I've caught up. But that's not really what catching up is about. The goal is to understand the material, not just to finish it. Simply completing the task or reading the chapters without understanding the content will just kick the can further down the lane and leave you struggling once more later on. You need to make sure that you grasp the key concepts, especially for more difficult subjects like maths or economics, where each topic builds on top of the previous one. Picture two students. One student just rushed through everything as quickly as possible so that he or she has covered every topic on the syllabus, while the other one take their time to understand the core concepts deeply, even if it means that they may not cover every single bullet point on the syllabus. Who do you think will be better prepared for the exams?